Hello guys, today we are going to take a mock test of the competitive exams. So let's start guys. In court of which among the following rulers numerous scholars were adorned as a Navratnaj? So option 1 is Chandragupta II, none of these Srigupta, Samudragupta. So here the correct answer is Chandragupta II, because in the history uh, and ancient history persons of the Navratnaj. First one is the Akbar and second is Chandragupta second. So these have actually the Navratnaj. So in this option no Akbar is given. So you can go through the Chandragupta second. Second question guys. Yamuna river is the tributary of which of the following river? So option is given: Indus river, Brahmaputra river, Ganga river, Godavari river. Here correct answer will be become the Yamuna river's longest. It is the longest tributary of the Ganga. So correct answer is the Ganga. The Yamuna river is the largest tributary of the Ganga river. Ganga is the major river system in the India. So next question guys. Harappa was discovered by, option is given: R.D. Banerjee, Dayaram Sahni, A. O. Hume, A. B. Alexander. So correct option is Dayaram Sahni, founded in 1921. In March 2023, who is the Chief Minister of Gujarat? So option is given: Manik Shah, Bhupesh Baghel, Bhupendra Patel, Jairam Thakur. So here correct answer is guys Bhupendra Patel. Next, Neeraj Chopra is related to which sport? Archery, javelin throw, horse race, kabaddi. So here correct answer is guys javelin throw. Recently everyone's known Neeraj Chopra is an Indian track and field athlete and junior championship officer in Indian Army. He won a gold medal in 2018 Asian Games with the national record of 88.06 meter. So this fact guys you should must be remember it. Next question guys. 7th edition of the bilateral air exercise between India and France concluded at Air Force Station Jodhpur on 12th November 2022. What was the name of the exercise? Answer is Garuda, option second, Varuna third, option 3, Mitrata, option 4, hand in hand. So here correct answer is guys Garuda. It was the first ocean of AIF, LAC Tejas and SCF purchased in participate in any international exercise. The first, third and fifth edition was conducted in India 2003, 2006 and 2014. And similarly, if you want to know participating countries which bilateral exercises, so some other is just like I want to tell hand in hand, it is to China. Next question guys. Modhera Sun Temple is situated at, option A Jharkhand, option B Madhya Pradesh, option C Gujarat, option D Odisha. So here correct answer is guys Gujarat. Actually Modhera is situated in Gujarat. Modhera temple is located at the Gujarat. So here correct answer is the guys Gujarat. If you going to talk about guys in famous temples regarding of this all states, so Odisha have Jagannath temple, Jagannath Temple, Sun Temple, which is located in Konark, and another is Lingaraj Temple, another is Lingaraj Temple. Similarly, Madhya Pradesh, Omkareshwar Temple, and Jharkhand important temple is Baidyanath Temple. Okay guys, next question. Which Indian state is largest by the area? So option is given Maharashtra. Option is given Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. Your correct answer, everyone know guys, Rajasthan's. It cover in the area of 3,42,239 kilometer, and here population is 6.85 crores as per the 2011 census. Yeah, everyone know Uttar Pradesh is the largest state of the India terms of populations. And if we are going to talk about the area wise, Rajasthan, obvious, Rajasthan is the first. Then it will come, Rajasthan is the first of the area wise. Then second number is Madhya Pradesh. This is the second. And if we are going to talk about third, it's from Maharashtra, and fourth one is the Uttar Pradesh. But if we are going to talk about the populations wise, so obviously Uttar Pradesh will come, then second is the Maharashtra, third in comes Bihar, and fourth will come the West Bengal. Early 34th, artillery. So here the correct answer is guys So here correct answer is guys 34th native infantry. So related to this questions, important fact guys, everyone's this revolt is started 29th March 1857. Next question is guys, ping pong is related to. So for this option is given badminton, table tennis, judo, taekwondo. So here correct answer is guys badminton. Sorry, your correct answer is guys table tennis. Table tennis is related to the ping pong game. This game is invented by the England in the earlier day of the 20th. This game is invented by the England. Next question, guys. By which amendment of the Indian Constitution the voting age was reduced from 21 years to 18 years? So for this the correct answer is, guys, option is given 59th, option second 61th, 62nd, option fourth is 60. So correct answer is, guys, here for this 61th Amendment Act. Next question, guys. The capital of Thailand is, option 1 is given Bangkok, option 2 is given Lome, option 3 is given Dushanbe, option 4 is Dodoma. So here correct answer is, guys, Bangkok. Currency of the Thailand, so currency is Baht. Thailand is also called the country of white elephant. If we are going to talk about the Loma, this is Togo country capital. If Dushanbe, this is capital of Tajikistan, and Doma is the capital of Tanzania. Next question, guys. In March 2023, who is the Home Minister of India? Option is Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Yogi Adityanath. So here correct answer is, guys, Amit Shah. Next question, guys. Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer, come to India in option 1 1496, option 2 1498, option 3 1495, option 4 1497. So here correct answer is 1498. So 1498 the Portuguese will comes in India. If we going to talk about the East India Company, it will come 1600. If going to talk about the Dutch, they will come to 1602. And if we are going to talk about the Danish 1660, and French Charles come 1664, and Swedish comes 1731. So this is an important fact related to these questions. Next, guys, what was the name of the rover of Chandrayaan 2? Option 1 Pragyan, option 2 Biomitra, option 3 Vikram, option 4 Orbiter. So here correct answer is, guys, Pragyan. Next question, guys. Naturally occurring acid present in tamarind is, option A oxalic acid, option B ascorbic acid, option 3 tartaric acid, option 4 tannic acid. Option first, oxalic acid. Option one, oxalic acid. Option two, ascorbic acid. Option third, tartaric acid. Option fourth, tannic acid. So here correct answer is guys tartaric acid. Option first, deoxyribonucleic acid. Option second, delta nucleic acid. Option third, deoxyribonucleic acid. Option fourth, deoxynucleic acid. So this is the correct answer is guys deoxyribonucleic acid. This is the option third is the correct answer. If we are going to talk about the DNA, a structure was given in 1953 by the Dr. James Watson and Dr. Francis Crick with the help of Rosalind Franklin. Next question guys. Polio is caused by a option 1 protozoa, option 2 virus, option 3 bacteria, option 4 fungus. So here correct answer is guys virus. Next question guys. Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment was responsible for the discovery of option first atomic nucleus, option second electron, option third proton, option fourth neutron. So this is the correct answer guys atomic nucleus. And if we are going to talk about the another regarding the other options, so electrons found by J.J. Thomson in 1896, and neutron is discovered by James Chadwick in 1932, and proton is discovered by the Rutherford. In 1917. Next question guys. Which is the largest gland in our body that is characterized by its reddish brown color? Option 1 is given pituitary, option second liver, option third pancreas, option 4 thymus. So here is correct answer is guys liver. Liver is the largest gland in our body that is characterized by the reddish brown color. Next question guys. Which acid is present in ant sting? So for this correct answer is guys option is given tartaric acid, option second is methanoic acid, option third is lactic acid, option fourth is acetic acid. So here correct answer is methanoic acid. Their chemical formula is HCOOH. Next question guys. How many colors are there in a spectrum of light? option 1 5, option 2 1, option third 7, option fourth 3. So here correct answer is guys option third 7. Next question guys, who discovered the cell? Option first Theodore Estragon, option second Matthias Selden, option third Reboot Hook, option third Robert Hooke, option fourth Rudolf Virchow. So here correct answer is guys Robert Hooke. If we are going to another facts about these options, Thunder Sunat discovered the enzyme and pepsins as well. Next question guys, dash glands release tears from our eyes? Option first adrenal, option second pituitary, option third lacrimal, option fourth thyroid. So for this correct answer is guys lacrimal. Next question guys, which of the following is examples for chemical changes of substance? Option first rusting of iron, option second repining of fruit, option third both 1 and 2nd, option fourth none of above. Both rusting of iron and repining of fruits. Next question guys, average life span of human red blood cells RBC is? Option first 40 days, option second 80 days, option third 120 days, option fourth 160 days. So for this is correct answer is 120 days. Next question guys, who discovered oxygen? Option first is given Albert Einstein, option second John Embroidery, option third Graham Bell, option fourth Joseph Priestley. So for this correct answer is guys Joseph Priestley. Discovered 1774. Another fact for Albert Einstein's this famous equation is equal to mc square Graham Bell invented telephone. Next question guys, the unit acceleration is dash. Option 1 is given Newton meter square, option second Newtons meter, option third meter per second square, option fourth meter per second. So for here correct answer is guys meter per second square. It is the rate of change of velocity. This is called the acceleration. Next question guys, which among the following is a biotic component of an ecosystem? So here correct answer is guys option is given here. Option is given first wind, option second is rainfall, option third is grass, option fourth is minerals grass. Next question, guys. Who discovered penicillin? Option is given: William Harvey. Option second, Louis Pasteur. Option third, Alexander Fleming. Option fourth, Paul Ehrlich. So for this, correct answer is, guys, Alexander Fleming. Some another facts related to these questions, guys. So if you're going to talk about the Louis Pasteur, he developed the rabies vaccine. Rabies vaccine. William Harvey is discovered heart's 4 valves, and Paul Ehrlich introduced the concept of the magic bullet. Magic bullet. Solve the next question, guys. Here given 3044 is divisible by which number? So let's see how to solve it. It is divisible. So it is the end of this number is given 4. So it may be divisible by 4, but it is not necessary. So let's see divisible by which. So as per the, we know also what is the divisibility rule also. If we add all numbers and if it is multiplied by 3, then it's your definitely divisible by 3. And just like 4, if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, it means surely divisible by 4. And 5, it may be their last digit is 0 or 5. For 6, like the 3, similar, it is divisible by, so we can, by the divisibility rule, it will be definitely divisible by 4. So here answer is the 4. Next, guys. So here given if a minus b equal to 1 and a square plus b square equal to 85, then what is a into b? So let's see. First of all, we will use the formula a minus b to the whole square. So a minus b to the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here given a minus b equal to value is 1, and here a square plus b square, so this value is also given to the question, and minus 2ab. Let's leave it. So if we are going to solve it, 1 square 1, here is 85. So 85, it will come here, it will become minus, and minus 2ab is given here. Then it will become minus 84, and here it will become the minus 2ab, 2 into b. So we can cancel out minus to minus. So 84 half, if we are going to do 4 and this 2, it means a into b equal to 42. So here 42 is the correct answer, guys. Next question given find the average of this. So first of all, we know we will add it and divide by their number, and we can guess also. 72, 74, 76, 88, 89, 90. So just like the ascending order, 86, 88 and 90. So here is the mid number is not given, but average will definitely will come to this between. So I think it will be become this one. It may be, I don't know. So let's see. Yeah, here 8 and 6, 14, 14 and 6, 20, 20 and 4, 24 and 2, 26, carry 2. So 2 and 8, 10, 9, 19, 19, 8, 27, 27 and 7, 34, 34, 7, 41, 41 and 7, 48. So it will divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, 7 ja 42, 6, 8 ja this one. So this is the correct. Thank you. So next, let's see how to solve it. Here given the HCF and LCM of two number are 4 and 288, and one number is 32, and find the second number. So here we know the formulas of HCF into LCM equal to first number into second number. In this formula we will solve it. So as per the questions is given, HCF is equal to 4 and LCM is given 288 and one number is given 32. So find the another number. Let's see. Let x, so simply 32 will come here to divide 4 into 28. So 4 8 ja 32 and 8 3 ja 24. Sorry, it's okay. 8 4 ja 24 and 8 6 ja 36. So here the correct answer is 36. Next, if the length, width and total surface area of a cuboid are 15, 10 and 1300 cm square, then its height is. So we should know first of all the surface area of cuboid R. So cuboid surface area is 2 into L into B, length into width, plus width into height plus height into length. This is the surface area of cuboid. So here given surface area is equal to 1300, and we just put down given values. So here given length, width, it means 15 into 10 plus 10 into 15, sorry, 10, width is 10 and height is not given. So let's remaining leave it, and here also height is not given, length is given 15. So next we will solve 1300 equal to 2 into this is 150 and here 10h plus 15h means height. So 1300 equal to 2 150, this we can add 25h and 2 come here to divide 13, 150 plus 25h, it will become 650, and this one come here to subtract from this, so it will become 5, 25h. So h is equal to 20, so height is 20 and so. Next, the average of three number is given 27. So three numbers of 27, so we can calculate by multiply this one. So 3 7 ja 21, carry 2, 3 2 ja 6 2 8 81. The second 3, this second is 3 times, and the first and third number is 5 times the first. What is the sequence of the number? So first of all we let first, second and third. So it is actually basically telling that the second 3 times of the first, so let it x, and this is 3 times of first, and third number is 5 times of first, this is 5 times of first, and its total sum equal to 81, because we know three numbers average is 27. So if we multiply the number by average, so product will come the total number of the addition of sum of total numbers. So that's why we write here 81. So all if we add it, so it will become 9x equal to 81. So x is equal to 9. So what is the sequence of number? So this is 9 and this is 27 because it's third time, and this is 45. So let's see which one is the match. Option 2. Next questions. Find the simple interest of 9 months on a principal amount of plus 19,800 at 6% rate of interest per annum. It's okay. So we know the simple interest formula: principal into rate into time divided by 100. So we have to find the simple interest. So let's see, principal is given 9,800, rate is given 6%, and time is given 9 months. So we will put down here per annum. So this is the month, that's why 9 to it's divide 9 by 12, then it will become the year. So here 9 and 100 is given as per the formula, and 12 goes to denominator. Let's solve it and find out the result 6 to 12, and here 2 9 ja 18, 2 9 ja 18, and simply 19. So here 9 9 ja 81, 9 9 ja 81, and 9 89. So simple interest is 891. Next, here given A ratio B is equal to 11 ratio 7, and B ratio C equal to 4 ratio 19. So let's see how to write it. This is the in this questions main thing is to the writing style. First of all, we just write down like this, which one actually ask. So according to the questions, 11 is to 12 is means 11 and 7 is given. Similarly, write down this one. B ratio C means B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 19, and here given the gaps, so just write down here, and this one write down just the left side. This is the way to write to solve these types of questions. So and just multiply it. 19 7 ja 133, 19 133, and 7 4 ja 28, 11 4 ja 44. So this one is the answer. Next question, guys. When a number is increased by 34, it becomes 3 by 2 on itself. What is the number? So let's first of all, the number is x. Number is increased by 34. So I am increasing 34. It will become 2 by 3 itself. What is the number? So just solve it. So here x minus 2 by 3 x, and this goes to opposite side, so it will also become the minus, and here we solve 3x minus 2x by 3 minus 34, here goes to multiply here, and it will become the x and this is 3 4 ja 12, carry 1, 3 3 ja 9, 102. So here the correct answer is 102. Next question, guys. when let's see these questions guys. When a number is increased by 34, so let's the number is x plus it increased by 34, it's increase, then it will become the itself 3 by 2. It's okay. So first of all 34 is here and this will go to this side. So 34, if we solve it here, 2 3x minus 2x, so 34 equal to x, and this is become to 68. So this number is 68, correct answer guys. Next, calculate this cylinder's total surface area. It is radius is 7 and height is 12 cm. So cylinders, first of all we just find out, just write down the cylinder's total surface area equal to 2 pi r into r plus h, total surface area. So everything is given. 2 pi value just put down, r is given 7, again r it means radius, into height is given 12. Just solve it. So here 44 into 19 for the 36, carry 3, 19 for the 30, and this is your correct answer, 339 cm square, because it is the surface area. It means any area in, we must write down and for the value. And here this question is, if x and 2x are supplementary angles, then the value of 2x. So if we are going to tell this supplementary angles means pair of the angle that always sum of 180. So if one is x and another is 2x, according to the supplementary angle it is 180, then find the value of 2x. So just add it, it will become 3x 180, x is equal to 180 divided by 3, 6. So 2x means 120. Your correct answer is 120 guys. Next, 16 laborers takes 35 days to complete constructions. Exactly how many days will the same work be completed by 28 laborers? So this is the time and work types of questions guys. So here 16 labor, 35 days, this is actually MDH types of questions guys, and construction exactly, then how many workers, don't know, x complete in 28 labors. So 28 come here to divide 28, and if we're going to simplify it, it will become 8, this is 14, this is and again this is 35. So x is equal to 20. So here correct answer is guys 20. Next, the cost of 2 pairs of pants and 3 shirts is 650 means here, and if the cost of 4 pairs of pants and 2 shirts has 700, then find the cost of each shirt. So cost of 2 pair of pants, so this is the solve as per the equations. 2 pant, let pant x and sort let y its value, total value 650. Similarly 4 pants and 2 shorts is 700. Just solve it. Before the solve, just equal it, any numbers, like just multiply by 4 here, it will become the equal. So if we multiply the 4 here, this will be cancel out, subtract it, and this is 12 minus 2, it means 10y, and here is also subtract. Just first of all you just write down 20 and here 24 and carry to 26. Just subtract 400 700, it will become 900. So going to 10 is divided 190 rupees. So find the cost of each short now cost. So here one short's cost come 19 190 rupees. So one short cost just a minute, is there any fault? 4 0 0 4 5 0 carry 2, it's okay, and just subtract 19 190. Let's see, this is the something is missing, guys. Let's see from the beginning, guys. Here let's see how to solve with this, guys. Let's see how to solve these types of questions. So here given cost of 2 pairs of pants, means just let down the pants each x, so 2x plus short each just let y, so 3y is equal to 650, and then second 4 pants means 4x plus 2y is equal to 700. So for the solve of this equation we need to equal it. So just here multiply by 2 equation first, and equation second just leave out. So this is become 4x, and then down is 4x, so this is cancel out, and here just subtract. So this is 6 minus 2 is equal to 4y, and here this is become 0 0 12. So 12 minus 7, it will become 500. So y equal to 150 rupees. Answer is 150 of each sort. So each sort is 150 rupees. Next, guys, here given 83 by 500 equal to what percent? So it is simply just write down 83 by 500 equal to what means x, and percent means 1 by 100. So just solve it. This will come here to upper, and x is given, so this is cancel out, and 5 1 ja 5 here 3, 5, 6 to 30, and again 5, 6 to 30. This will is the correct answer, guys. Okay, so next is also the ratio and proportion types of questions. So let's see how to solve. This is nothing, you just see this is the writing style, how to write and how to solve. This one is important. So here given A by B and also B by C is given. So just write down A by B means 7 by 9 and 5 by 7. So here cancel out. A ratio C will become 5 ratio 9. So here answer is first. Next, guys, if road is written as a WTFI in certain code language, it's okay. Next question is, if road is written as a WTFI in certain code. So if you don't get understood these types of questions, so first of all just write down and just think what is the connection between these. So here you can see R S T U V W, it means increase 5, and just check out this is also increased 5 or not. O Q R S T, it is also increased 5, similarly 5. So we can guess BEAT, this is also all are increased by 5. So B C D E F, so here we can write G E F G H I. So J G and J, which is initiate this one, so this one is the answer. Next, guys, here written nation just like that and hungry. So let's see how to write it. Nation, it written like this, and Tino. So see, this is this one and this is this type, and this is the same positions, and this is also cross written. So similarly you just imagine hungry is written like also. So you can write here and H is here, this is the same position both, N and G, and Y is here, R is here, UHN, where UHN is nothing, this one is the correct answer, guys. Next, guys, here written, if a certain code language, just write down paper, 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 written as 16(1), again P code 16, E code 5, R code 18. This is simple as per the alphabet. So how to write the brinjal? BRINJL. Brinjal means 2, R means 18, I means 9, 2, 18, 19, where 2, 18, 19, where this one 2, 18 and 9 also goes, and this is 12, 10, and J is 12, 2, 18, 9, 14, this is 14, 14, 10 12 14 10 12. So third, this one is the correct answer. Third is the correct answer, guys. Next, refer to the following number symbol series and answer this question that follows. So here is given some symbols and numbers to mix up. How many such symbols are there that are immediately preceded by a number and immediately followed by a number? As per the number, as symbol, just number, like this, that you just to find out. So first here is given number and symbol and number. Similarly, next just see where it is given 4 and 9. Here 2, here is also 3, here is also given 4. So here correct option is only 4, no another is here. So correct answer is 4. Next question, guys. If KHI is 28, FSH is 33, then what is the TBT? So just think how to written is 28. So let's know about the positioning of the alphabets. This is 11 and this is 8 and this is 9. Just simply it's added 28, it will become. Similarly, you can understood this is how to come 33. So solve this one. T is positioning 20 and this is 2, so it is the become 42 answer. So thank you, guys. If you like this video, please comment, share. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you, guys. If you like these videos, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you, guys. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. So thank you, guys. If you like, share and thank you, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you, guys. If you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.